Today we are at ParkRoyal Marina. So this is the room that we get, Urban King. Yeah, we get a king size bed and then we get a small balcony here. So there is a door at the balcony. Yeah, here is the door so you can go out. Yeah, so this is our small balcony. And then beside the bed they prepare us some kit. So there is this mask, hand sanitizer, and also wipes. Now let's go to the bathroom. So there's bathroom just right next to the door. So here is the bathroom. Yeah. This is the toiletries, and then here is the shower area, small shower area, and then we also have a bathtub. Yeah, nice. That's all today. See you again in the next video.